Sometimes we look back and have regrets and would be like, "Ah, if I had not gone to this place, this wouldn't have happened. If I had not taken this step, this would have happened." Growth doesn't come smoothly. Growth comes with mistakes, regrets, challenges, different types. Mine may not be the same with yours and other people. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess Angie and this is Omovi's vlog. So in today's video, I decided to share with you the things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Like I said in my other video that I began this channel 4 years back and I was relaxed. Begin the following year, I wasn't still serious until the third year. I started becoming serious gradually, and last year I decided to embrace it with the whole of my heart. And here we are. So, the first thing I wish I knew before starting a channel is that YouTube is a business. Yes, it's a huge business. I love making videos, talking about things, experiences, places. Then I said, okay, since there's a platform that you can just put these things up, longer videos. I couldn't put up very long videos on Instagram or Facebook. So I said, okay, YouTube, yes, it allows a room for a very long videos. So let me just start up something here. But I never knew that YouTube pays millions of naira to creators, depending on the level at which you are and all. Don't get me wrong. You won't start with millions, or you can't start with millions except you are already big before coming here. For those people that make movies and they have lots of movies that are doing well, they earn a lot of money on YouTube and other big creators. So, but then there are levels to these things. Like I said, you have to grow to that level on YouTube. So I was like, okay, so I never knew I've been sleeping on money. Money, ego, kudi. That's not the number one ginger, don't get me wrong. Like I said, I just love making videos and putting them up. Then I said, let me make use of the platform, YouTube. But then I got to know later that YouTube pays money when you attain some certain level of growth on the platform. Secondly, I wish I knew that it is not just about putting up videos, but being intentional about it. And it's not for one to put up videos and go and sleep. Put this video today, go back and relax. No, you have to keep showing up, keep creating. You have to edit, except you have a team that work for you. Yes, some big creators do have. So they have people that record for them. They just sit at the front of the camera with the script, but then the other aspect of the job or the work is on the team, the editing, the uploading, the following up, and all of that. So it's not for you to upload and sleep. I wish I knew that showing up all the time on this platform for your brand is a huge thing. The third thing I wish I knew before starting a channel is picking a niche and sticking to it. Like I said in my other video, it is okay to play around niches, especially when you are into lifestyle. You get to create a lot of videos, travel videos, fashion hacks, cooking, lots of things, but they are all in lifestyle depending on the angle you're taking it. So it's okay to try out this niche, try out that, and see which one suits you and you're comfortable in, which one is more sustainable and which is more engaging. And I'm glad I didn't really, should I say, I struggle with niches? Not really. I'm into lifestyle and sometimes I could do tutorial, but no, it's not for me. So lifestyle, if it's lifestyle, stick to it. If it's purely tutorial, stick to it. Picking of niche is very important. Another thing I wish I knew is making use of SEO. Before, I could just put up videos and write the titles casually and that's it. Even thumbnails, I wasn't really putting them on my videos until I got to discover that these things really matter. They are hotcakes on videos. So I decided to put in work and I'm still trying to put in effort. One other thing I wish I knew is that building of watch hours is not just on YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts don't even give you reasonable watch hour. I'm sorry to say. YouTube Shorts just, it may give you views and all, but it's not weighty. It doesn't, it doesn't carry weight to add up to your watch hour. It's just there. The views could be huge. Of course, the little watch hour you could get from there also counts, but it's the longer videos that matter in building watch hours. So I wish I knew that it is not just the views, then you promote the videos, talk about it on your other social media platforms. If you could put it on ads, then do that. That travels and also helps with the views that leads to watch hours. I decided to share these tips with you because it's relatable with life in general. Sometimes we look back and have regrets and would be like, "Ah, if I had not gone to this place, this wouldn't have happened. If I had not taken this step, this would have happened," and all of that. So growth doesn't come smoothly. Growth comes with mistakes, regrets, challenges, different types. Mine may not be the same with yours and other people. So we all have this particular point we say, oh, I shouldn't have done this. I should have done this a different way and all of that. And we can't take back the hands of time. We can only do better, try to change or try to put in effort to see better results. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.